Hi guys, this is your friend Ashish from Train with Ashish Janiani. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 careers that you can choose working from home, working part-time, and that can generate you an income of rupees 40,000 per month. Alright? Career number 1, you becoming a reseller of a product which is out there in the market with an opportunity. What can be that product right now? If you were to sell masks, okay, if you were to sell health products right now, you don't have to store them at your particular location, but you just outsource it from other people, and all you do is you become a middle agent, a broker, and you supply to people who need it. Okay, that's career number 1. You can make filthy margins doing this career because these products sell in quantity. So whatever you become a reseller of, it has to be sold in quantity. Masks will sell in quantity. Electronic products, little small gadgets, earphones will sell in quantity. You becoming a reseller can generate you 40,000 rupees per month. Number 2, okay, you becoming an educational consultant and helping people on their journey to self-growth. Very similar to what I do full-time as a corporate training company. If you do, okay, something like this, people will be willing to pay you to help them out to become a little better version of what they are currently. It can be a category of people. If you are a woman entrepreneur and you want to help other women, if you are a teenager and you want to help other teenagers, if you are a corporate guy and you want to help other corporate fellows, whatever category you choose, you can consult people and you can make good money out of that. Alright. Number 3, career number 3, you getting online and selling products which are based on technology. It can be online video products, it can be digital marketing, it can be artificial intelligence. Things that are technology oriented will make you a lot of money working part-time, because that is something which is not going to go away. It is something which is going to enhance. Digital marketing is needed by small businesses and big businesses both. Artificial intelligence will be needed by most people in the coming years, and video products are something that everybody is showing keen interest towards, guys. Okay, so if you are working from home, or if you want to work from home, you want to make some money, not a lot of money, you want to work part-time so that you can focus on your hobbies. These are 3 categories of careers that you can pick from. If you need any assistance, DM me, comment on this particular video, and I can get in touch with you to help you personally. Have a good day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.